Today's thought is discipline in life, build patriotism in our heart. I repeat my thought. Discipline in life, build patriotism in our heart. It means discipline is the foundation of good life that makes us responsible citizens carrying true patriotism in our heart. It is always believed by our founder Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu that makes us responsible. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's fact is patriotism is not just word but good action for the nation. Did you know our founder Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu took an initiative of a project to establish 100 libraries for underprivileged and was awarded an honorary doctorate by Utkan University. Please see the visuals. As we all know, the main purpose of our founder Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu was to spread happiness through education. Thank you.
Good morning, children. India is growing to be a superpower. And we are fortunate that India probably will have more than 50% of the population of the world below the age of 30, probably 30, 35 by 2030. And that gives India an opportunity to be one of the most developed nations of the world. And how can this happen? This can only happen, my dear children, if you, because you are the people who are going to lead India to be the superpower. If each of you sitting here is committed to be a leader. For leadership and for taking our country to be one of the most developed nations, we require a lot of commitment. And of course, commitment comes from discipline, patriotism, passion. But we require a lot of commitment and enthusiasm to see that our country develops.
Children, you all saw the video of
Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu.
our founder, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu, right? And he talks of making India great.